Hey everybody, it's Kate from Katie Did. And Kava. Kava is working on learning how to talk, and this is the second installment. We've just put her buttons on a button board and she is just trying to figure out what the heck. So let's see how she does. That's not even one that works. Try the other one over there. Nope. Hey, what do you want? Tell me. Tell me. Are we over it? Are we over it? Okay. Love you. Yes, I love you too. Okay, tell me. Tell me.
Love you.
Love you. Oh, you want to walk? Walk? I think she wants to walk.
My corporal form was born of Ultron's plan for genocide.
You want the laser? Okay. Wait a minute, that's not what you said earlier. What do you want? Hey, do you want laser or walk? You tell me. Come here. Come on, tell me. Really? I just did walk. No, I don't want to go. How about laser? You want to do laser? Do you want to do laser? Yes, love you too. You want a laser? Are you sure? Wait a minute. What was that? Come here. Come and tell me. Tell me again. Okay, laser. Yeah, okay. No problem.